Hi friends, Miss Yantine here going over Module 8 on time, shapes, and fractions as equal parts of shapes. This week we will continue going over fractions. This is the goal of the week. I would like you to repeat the sentence after me. I can describe shapes as halves, thirds, or fourths. I can describe a whole by the number of equal parts including 2 halves, 3 thirds, and 4 fourths. Let's get started. Can you recognize and name these fractions? Which is 1/2? Which is 1/3? Which one is 1/4? Which one is 2/4? Which one is
3/4?
How do we know? How do we name fractions? How many pieces has this circle been cut into? It's been cut into 2 equal pieces. I'm going to color in one of the 2 equal pieces. I have colored in 1 piece out of 2. When we have 1 piece out of 2, we have 1/2. This circle has also been cut into 2 equal pieces. I'm going to color in 2 of the equal pieces. This is 1, this is 2. I have colored in 2 pieces out of 2. When we have 2 pieces out of 2, we have 2 halves, which is the same as 1 whole. How many pieces has this circle been cut into? It has been cut into 3 pieces. I am going to color one of the 3 equal pieces. Here I have 1 out of 3 pieces. I have 1/3. This circle has also been cut into 3 equal pieces. Now I'm going to color 2 pieces. I have 2 out of 3 pieces. This is 2/3. This circle has also been cut into 3 equal pieces. Now I'm going to color all of these pieces. 1, 2, and 3. I have colored 3 out of 3 equal pieces. I have colored 3/3, which is the same as 1 whole. How many pieces has this circle been cut into? It has been cut into 4 equal pieces. I am going to color in one of the 4 equal pieces. I have colored 1 piece out of 4. Whenever we have 1 piece out of 4, we have 1/4 or 1/4. This circle has also been cut into 4 equal pieces. There are 4 pieces in total. I am going to color in 2 out of the 4. I have colored 2 out of 4 pieces. When we have 2 pieces out of 4, we have 4ths, 2/4, or 2/4. This circle has also been cut into 4 equal pieces. There are 4 pieces in total. I am going to color in 3 of the 4 equal pieces. When we have 3 out of the 4 possible pieces, we have 3/4 or 3/4. And this circle has also been cut into 4 equal pieces. There are 4 pieces in total. I'm going to color in 4 of the 4 equal pieces. I have colored in 4 pieces out of 4. When we have 4 out of 4, we have 4/4 or 4/4, which is the same as 1 whole. Is this a whole circle? No. What is needed to complete the circle? Watch as I complete the circle. Now say it with me. 1/2 and 1/2 make 1 whole. 2 halves make a whole. Great work. Here we are going to color each third and count as we go. We have 1/3, 2/3, and 3/3. Let's say I'm going to give each one of you a third of a rectangle. Look at the parts of a rectangle. They each have 1/3 of a rectangle. How many thirds do you see all together? That's right. If you said we have 2/3 at the moment, that is correct. We have 1/3 and 1/3. So what do we need to complete the whole rectangle? Watch as I complete the whole. That's right, we needed 1 more third. Now say it with me. 1/3 and 1/3 and 1/3 make a whole. 3/3 make a whole. This is where you can get a paper and pencil. Pause the video and try your best to practice drawing thirds in the circles. Choose your circle that shows thirds the best, and let's color each third and count as we go. So right now we have 1/3. If I color this one in, I have 2/3. And now if I color this one in, I have 3/3. I have a whole. Let's draw another circle and first partition the circle in half. When something is divided into fourths, how many equal shares does it have? That's right, it has 4 equal shares. So now let's draw another line to partition it into 4 equal parts. Make sure each part is equal in size. Now let's color and label it 1/4 of your circle. As you see on my screen, this is 1/4 because I have 1 out of the 4 equal parts shaded in. Let's count the fourths. I have 1/4. Now I colored this one in, so I have 2/4. I colored this one, so now I have 3/4. And I colored this one, so now I have 4/4. Great job. 4/4 is a whole. So now look at my screen. I have 1/4, 1/4, and 1/4. Look at the parts of a square. Each is 1/4 of a square. What do I need to complete the whole square? Let's complete the whole. I have 1/4, another 1/4, another 1/4, and 1 more 4th. Now say it with me. 1/4 and 1/4 and 1/4 and 1/4 make a whole. 4/4 make a whole. Great work, boys and girls. Now, this is the part where you will have to have your paper and pencil for sure. You are going to take a picture of your participation and send it to your teacher via Dojo Portfolio. I would like you to draw, color, and label 3/4 of the cake. You can pause the video if you need to take your time. Now draw, color, and label 1/4 of the pizza. Draw, color, and label 2/4 of the pizza. Draw, color and label 4/4 of the cake. Draw, color, and label 1/3 of the cake. You're doing great! Draw, color, and label 3/3 of the pizza. Draw, color, and label 2/3 of the cake. Thank you for joining. I hope you enjoyed this lesson. If you have any questions, please send them to your teacher via Class Dojo. Also, don't forget to take a picture of your participation during this lesson and add it to your Class Dojo portfolio. We will see you during our Zoom live.